வணக்கம் எல்லாருக்கும். எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Uh, it's actually only my third film in Tamil cinema, but the love that I have always got from the audience, it feels like I've been here forever. This is my second audio launch here. My first ever audio launch in my career was thanks to Tamil cinema. My debut and my birth as an actor was because of Tamil cinema. From Arabic Kuttu Habibo to becoming your Kanima. It's been an absolute honor. I'd like to thank my producers, 2D and Stonebench, Karthikeyan and Rajshekhar sir. Y'all just made everything so much easier, irrespective of however hard the shoot was. So thank you so much for that. To all the technicians, our DOP, Shreya sir, I don't know where you are, but, oh, there. Thank you for everything. To the team, the costume team, I want to thank all of Karthik sir's ADs. I don't know where you all are seated, but thank you. It's one of the best AD teams I've ever worked with. The passion you all have really helps me, and thank you for painfully taking time for my dubbing in Tamil. So I'm thanking you all for that today. I would also like to thank Santosh Narayan sir. In the teaser, I had no dialogues, but the BGM, the music that you gave me, I felt like every emotion that I was feeling, you conveyed it through that beautiful music. So thank you for being my voice and the soul of this film. I know you're a great music director, but the dance in Kanima, that's how I actually want to dance. To all the artists on this film, Jojo sir, sir, you also sir, even Nasir sir, from Mugudi to now here. Thank you so much. You all have contributed to every single performance and every single emotion. Karthik sir, thank you so much for seeing me as your Rukmani. After the teaser release, everyone said it was a very different puja and it was a very new Pooja Hegde. But I think it takes a very trained eye and a director like you to see that somebody like me could do a role like this. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to play Rukku. And I hope I did justice to Rukmani. It's somewhere I feel like I built this role in my life. I've always wanted to do it, and I think the synergy matched, and I could be your Rukmani. I've been a fan of your work since Jigar Thanda, and it was just a pleasure to be a part of your film. Your dedication to your craft and how you can see beauty in even the most simplest things is something that is really unique, and it has genuinely been one of the most creatively satisfying roles so far as an actor for me. So thank you so much. It was truly like a family atmosphere on set, and that was all thanks to you. So thank you so much. And you've written many gangster films, but I'm hoping that someday maybe it's time for a female gangster. Like I told you before. Female gangster, maybe. But, well, I've put it out there. Thank you. My Pari. Surya sir. Thank you. It has been an absolute pleasure to work with you. You are so encouraging, and every time you like a shot, you immediately appreciate it, and you're so vocal about what you felt about that shot. Your entire process of working has been so inspiring to me, and thank you so much. Praise sometimes comes rare, but with you, you just are so open with it, and thank you for that. You, those expressive eyes. I always say I wish I had your eyes, but thank you for always giving 100% in every single shot. That definitely helped me in my performance. So thank you so much. To the fans, உங்க ரீல்ஸ் நான் பார்த்தேன், ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. The amount of effort you all put ஒரு சின்ன detail, the sari, the vadyanam, the effort that goes into every single reel. When you all were enjoying, I was enjoying so much. And all I want to say is, pinni eduthudinga.
அப்பனா பூஜா மேம், நாங்க ஒன்னு கேட்கலாங்களா? அந்த ரீல் இங்க ரீக்ரியேட் பண்ணலாங்களா?
இருங்க ஜி, வாங்க இந்த சைடு வாங்க.
With Ruku and Pari today over here.
First of all அழகா இருக்கீங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு பிக் ஹக் உங்களுக்கு நாங்க கொடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம ஹீரோ பத்தி ஏதாவது ஒரு சம்பவம், any special memory or incident that happened in the film that you can share with us about Surya? அது முடிச்சிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம்
Surya sir's coffee. Anytime our energy was down, Surya sir would be like, do you want a coffee? There's a special filter coffee that he has. So all the energy came from that. And whenever the energy was down, I'd be like, Surya sir, please.
One cup.
One
Okay.
coffee.
Okay. Next time நாங்க ஆங்கர் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த 1 cup. Okay, thank you very much.